America's economy is booming on paper, but workers are seeing less of it.
Well, new data has confirmed that wages and even salaries now claim roughly 43% of gross domestic income, among the lowest shares since records began in 1929.
Bureau of Economic Analysis figures shows the wage share held at 42.8% in 2024, down from 43.6% in 2021 and 44.6% in 2020. And that is a steady four-year slide, and this isn't a blip. Labour share of US GDP has fallen roughly 7 percentage points since the Second World War. And the phenomenon isn't unique to America. Globally too, labour share has dropped 6 percentage points since 1980, declining in 13 of the world's 16 richest economies.
Broader measures tell the same story with sharper edges. The New York Fed found workers captured just 54.1% of national income in early 2026, which is down from over 65% nearly 80 years ago and from 57.7% recorded in early 2020. March quarter data shows labour's share of gross domestic income at its lowest since 1947, while corporate profits have hit their highest since 1950. Even within corporations, workers are losing ground. Employees' share of corporate income fell to 71.3% in the March quarter from 79.1% in the year 1979.
Now, of course, the big question is, why is this happening? And the answer lies in declining unionization, tax codes favoring capital gains over wages. Automation and offshoring have steadily redirected income towards shareholders via dividends and buybacks. Strong GDP growth paired with weak payroll growth is resulting in an unprecedented divergence. Roughly 48% of Americans reporting their finances worsened this year, with three-quarters saying that incomes aren't keeping pace with inflation. While markets share profit margins, Main Street doesn't feel the rally. And that gap between GDP and the paycheck is fast becoming the defining economic story of this decade.